How long do I have to wait? The nga go re tiwatang ina do I have to wait? Tiwatang go re. Chazang how long na katsu go re tiwatang ina how long do I have to wait la re. And then nga chuzu katsu go re tiwatang gyur. You have to wait for 20 minutes. Na kerang kama nishu go re la yur. How long did he play yesterday? Yesterday? How long did he play yesterday? Ano? Um, 그래서 콩 같이 링로 쯤어져와래 티와단결에. He played for 4 hours. ano? 콩 주저시 제송 라요래. 아니 내가 four 당 four di dodo four 나 링로 당 four di lana shi. 네 인지 계제세상 this gyoga layer and this ringo layer. He played for 4 hours. For 4 hours. He played for 4 hours. How long do you study in a day? Uh, How long do you study in a day? Kerang nima chikla kajus lopjong cheya tiwadangir. How long do you study in a day? I study 2 hours in a day. Nga nima chikla chuzungis lopjong cheya. How many students are there in class? Uh, Tiwadi lopta zinda la zinda nang la lopto katsuyore tiwa tangyur. How many students are there in class? There are 20 students. Lopto nishu yore lengyayur. How many books did you buy? How many books did you buy? Kerang tep katsu yuimba tiwa tangyur. I bought 3 books. Ngatepsum yui. How many days are there in January? 신다당부 낭라 니마 가츠여래 티와당겨래. The January the 예시당 this 만다요. 당보 Jan lower Jan. And dela you kerangdo you Jan you. And dela eri landire dela weri lanajire. Inji 계시당 니jal래. January. Nicha dire this lela January. How many days are there in January? And there are 31 days in January. Chinda tangbe nangla nima sumjisaji gyore. How many brothers do you have? Kerangla bun bun katsuyo tiwa tangyore. I have 3 brothers. How many times do you go to Nepal? Tiwadi kerang peyula tama katsu doyo tiwada gyure. Tsar katsu doyin tiwada gyure. I went to Nepal 3 times. Nga kesa peyula tama sum do tsai tsar sum doyin. How much money did you spend? 걔랑 률 가출 너든 땅이 배자 가출 돼서 diwadang yun. I spent 500 rupees lana nga rupi ngap kya pejadangi nge gor ngap kya dosong tangi rupi ngap kya tangi dosong tangi. How much does it cost lana dila ringong 가출 지기래 아시왔단 기회네 공 가출래 아시왔단 기회. It costs 200 rupees. Tila ringong gor nigya chekigere. Rubi nigya re. Rubi nigya re layer. How much sugar would you like in your coffee? 계란기 커피 낭라 제마카라 같이 고유me tiwa agiore. How much sugar would you like in your coffee? 2 spoons would be enough. Uh, inji kishitan would la na samlo kaji would la ire. Um, I would I would do this la na samlo tang ni ga chei choi du do chei ine samlo re jazang mi tiwa kare chamakar khatsu go ya tiwa tang na samlo tang ni nga ngi go yu ki re do la imara jazang dela 2 spoons is enough na this yaga yore kare 토망이 토망이 uh, 토망이 digire like 2 spoons would be enough lana 토망이 digir kiredo this inji kirsilang this this takda laure 2 spoons is enough 2 spoons will be enough 2 spoons is enough lana digire would be lana samlo kaji this inji yakudo tsi mare samlo da wala dena digire di ne this len tewa tangna len di tapa gyawra this ingire da lao mara so 2 spoons is enough nana yagoyore. How much traffic was there on the way to work? Lega dose lamdu lango tsanga shitsam dumkam. Uh, lega lega doe lamka la tsanga khatsu tsanga shiudu je doe tsanga khandis doe tewa tangi. Um, how much traffic was there on the way to work? Traffic lana tsanga di motaga tsanga langhor gi tsanga was there on the way to work. On the way to work lana legay lamkala. There was so much traffic lana lamkala tsanga 화장 개천보도 tsanga shiudu like how much time do you need? Kirang la